Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel guys. It's in the afternoon. It's around 2 p.m. I passed in the market. I was just heading at home from work. So today is our market day where we live. So I decided to pass and get some grocery that we didn't have for 2 weeks. So yeah, that is our market, and today is a very big market day. You can see the market seems very busy with fresh vegetables guys. Yeah, so I decided to go and get our vegetable grocery haul. Yeah, for it will last us for 2 weeks. Like there I was getting some carrots and some cabbages over there. Yeah, so if you're new in this channel, consider subscribing. Remember to like the video, share me out if you can. And my name is Adija. I'm a mom of three. I'm a Kenyan YouTuber. I live in the countryside. Yeah, not far, a bit some distance from Nairobi town. Yeah, so I decided to pass in that market guys. You can see they have very fresh veggies. That's what I wanted. And yes, later I was getting hoho, and later I reached at home and I want to share with you. So I got that tomatoes at 80 shillings, mangoes at 80 shillings, guys. And then I got that coriander at 50 shillings, you guys. They usually pack in bulky on a market day. And then I got onions, those stuffs, lemon and courgette. And then I got green bells, garlic, turmeric, ginger in that bag there. That is what I got. And that what remaining there, I got some carrots. Carrots were many. I got for 150 shillings. That will last us like a whole month. And then I got potatoes for 200 shillings and cabbage for 7 bob. And then guys, that is what I got. You can see it was only around 700 shillings, everything I got over there guys. That is what I got. And then I got minchi. We want to cook vegetable rice tonight, so that is what I got. It will take us for 2 weeks, but carrots will just go for 1 month. And guys, as you know, I doesn't have a nanny, so I released my nanny for December holidays. So I usually clean every day. Like hiyo saa 8 ilibidi nikuja nitoe zile nguo zenye zilikuwa chafu. I want to to be cleaning every day or after 1 day. So my daughter is helping there. Yeah, so that is what we are doing this afternoon, just cleaning those clothes they had worn like yesterday. So yeah, if they are many for a day, we will clean every day, but I don't think there are many clothes. So that is how I'm doing without a nanny guys. Yeah, just cleaning every day or after 1 day. Yeah, like ile kazi inakuanga ngumu kwangu ni kazi ya kufua, but with my daughter we can make it. So yeah, other house chores ni vitu kidogo kidogo kwangu, I will just do. So in this afternoon bado tulipata time ya kufua. This around 4 p.m. in the evening guys. Yeah, tuna wind up na kufua with my daughter there. And then you can see uko kwa backyard we had those which we washed yesterday, so she's unhanging them there. And then we cleaned the carpet as well. We clean that carpet for dining. Imekauka, we will put it tomorrow. And yeah, I want to hang what we have the laundry that we have done. Yeah, that is how my routine is without a nanny in this house, you guys. Yeah, you know, when you're a mother, sometimes you have to save some coins. This time round, I don't want to put clothes in bulky and call a day bag. No. Yeah, I just want to be cleaning like either every day in the evening or clean after 1 day. Yeah, because my kids does not kujichafua ile sana. Yeah, and at the same time our soil in the area is not that for ile kufanya nguo zikuwe ngumu kukua kusafi. Yeah, it doesn't have the red soil in our area. So that is my evening routine after work. Actually, it's like I'll be giving you more of evening routines after work. And my son was helping me to water the plants. You guys, there are no rains in this season. We have never experienced any rain, you guys. So the plants were kind of drying, so I decided to water mine. Yeah, I'm helping my son to water the plants. Yeah, you can see the flowers are growing very well. Yeah, So I just love that backyard to be just greenish, to have that beautiful nature. And later we had hanged everything. You can see it was not a lot of clothes, but yeah, that is how my evening will be running, like Mondays to Fridays. That is how I will be running my evenings, just cooking, cleaning, yes, and organizing, because my kids have our classes, so they doesn't have that enough time to do home course. And my daughter here was packing everything to put in the fridge, the vegetables, and the same time she was preparing the veggies for making our vegetable rice tonight. We are going to have a vegetable rice. Yeah, so she's making those veggies over there. Yeah, so and then me, I'm just going to continue with the cooking, guys. Yeah, so that is our evening, how it's looking. Remember to subscribe. And guys, this is where I usually put everything. You can see that waru potatoes just for 200 shilling, cabbage 70 bob, mango 80, and tomatoes 80 bob. And then I got some turmeric, garlic, ginger, and lemons, you guys, and some onions. Yeah, that will take us for 2 weeks because it's just me and my kids in the house. Yes, that is what I got. And later I got minchi. I got minchi just for 70 shillings for cooking our vegetable rice. So it's boiling over there, and when you want it to maintain that green color, you just add some salt when it's boiling, and it will give you that green color. And then the vegetables are already washed and cleaned. I just want to cut them by myself. Yeah, my daughter is kind of relaxing, so I'll just do the cooking alone. Yeah, so yeah, this is how our evening went down. So remember to subscribe to this channel, like the video, tell me what to think about the video, tell me what to think about my productive evening routines after work, just a slow living in the countryside, guys. Yeah, so that is what I'm doing. And yeah, I hope you enjoy the video up to this far. Leave a positive comment and tell me how you do your evening routines without nannies. Yeah, I find sometimes it's good to have your own time and with your kids, and make your nanny go and relax, say hi to their family. Yeah, so that is how I usually let my nannies to go for December holidays early. Yeah, because I can manage myself at work, because the kids are not going to school. I can manage myself, and most of the time we like today I'm cooking a rice that will take up to tomorrow's lunch. Yeah, so it will be easy for us to have lunch. Yeah, so we don't most of the time we don't cook lunch, so I prepare more of dinner, more of a lunch. I prepare many dinner to be taken for lunch. Yeah, and then other side I wanted to deep fry our chicken, guys. So no more talking, just see what I did.